So in today's video, we will be transforming this photo into something like this using Adobe Photoshop. So hit the like button and let's jump to the Photoshop. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to just drag and drop this image into the Photoshop. By the way, if you want to experiment with this photo, you can download it from the link in the video's description. Anyways, the first thing that we need to do is to extract the flower from the background. So to do this, first we need to make selection around it. I want to select this quick selection tool and make selection around it. Click on select and mask. Here, change the view to on white. Scroll down, increase its smoothness a little bit. Also increase its feather just a bit and decrease the shift edge. Now to fix the edges, let's scroll down a little bit. Check this decontaminate color option and then hit OK. And now the flower is extracted from the background. So let's rename it. Also delete this layer because we don't need it anymore. Now hold the Ctrl key and click on this icon to create new layer beneath the selected layer. Make a solid color adjustment layer on top of it and pick any color that you like. I'm going with this bright bluish color. Let's call it BG color for background color. Now for the shadow, let's create new layer and rename it shadow. Pick the brush tool. Make sure your foreground color is black. Select this soft tone brush and click on the canvas just once. Now convert this layer into a smart object. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool and transform it just like this. Now it is too intense as you can see. So just drop down its opacity to about 60%. Let's move it down a little bit. Now drag and drop this image into the Photoshop. By the way, you can download these kind of images from Envato Elements. They have 7-day free trial, so if you wanna check them out, click on the link in the video's description. Anyways, hit enter to confirm it. Now let's make it a little bit brighter. Press Ctrl M to open curves and adjust the graph just like this. Hit OK. Now to give it the color, click on this color box and click on the flower to pick the color from the flower with the help of eyedropper tool. Now create a solid color adjustment layer on top of it. It will pick this color. Right click on it and choose create clipping mask so that it will only affect the layer beneath it. Also change its blend mode to color. And now it is done. If you want to change the color of the flower, create a solid color adjustment layer on top of it. Choose a color that you like. Right click on the layer and choose create clipping mask. Also change its blend mode to color. You can also change the color of the petals. Let's change its color to pink. I think it is looking nice. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.